BrosTrend dual-band Wi-Fi bridge can connect any of your wired devices with an Ethernet port to Wi-Fi network. To begin, unbox your Wi-Fi bridge. Then plug the Wi-Fi bridge to an electrical outlet. We recommend pairing the Wi-Fi bridge with your main router in the same room. Power LED lights solid blue color. You can set up BrosTrend Wi-Fi bridge in two different methods, either by web user interface or by pressing the WPS button. To begin with web user interface setup, you can use your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Then use a Wi-Fi device to connect to the Wi-Fi bridge. Default network name of the Wi-Fi bridge is BrosTrend_EXT. No Wi-Fi password is required for initial connect. Once connected to the Wi-Fi bridge, you will be directed to the quick setup page. If not, please enter this domain name in the address bar of the Internet browser. In first login, set up the administrator login password for the Wi-Fi bridge. Write it down on a piece of paper for future login. Here is a list of your nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select the network name of your main router. Input the correct Wi-Fi password of your network and click the Extend button. Please wait. Now the BrosTrend Wi-Fi bridge is connected with your main router. Once the signal LED lights solid blue, your Wi-Fi bridge has established the best connection with your router. If the signal LED lights red, the connection between your Wi-Fi bridge and your main router is not in optimal status. You could try to move it closer to your router. In case the signal LED is off, your Wi-Fi bridge is not connected with your router. Please make sure the Wi-Fi bridge is within the Wi-Fi coverage of router, or please reset the Wi-Fi bridge back to the factory default setting and repeat the setup process again. Now unplug the Wi-Fi bridge and move it to a suitable new location. Please do not install your Wi-Fi bridge in an area where router Wi-Fi signal is not available. Wait for the signal LED to turn on. Your BrosTrend Wi-Fi bridge is now pairing with your router and ready to go. You just need to connect your wired device to the Wi-Fi bridge via an Ethernet cable, and your wired device will connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can also set up by pressing the WPS button. Please make sure your main router has a WPS button. Otherwise, you should install by web interface. Press the WPS button on your router. WPS LED status on the router should change. Then press the WPS button on the Wi-Fi bridge within 2 minutes. When the WPS LED blinks, the Wi-Fi bridge is trying to pair with your router. Signal LED on it indicates the connection status between your Wi-Fi bridge and router. In case you need assistance, please contact us for help. Thanks for purchasing.